History of Adam. What is an atom? An atom is everything. The table, the paper, the pencil, your phone. Atom makes up everything. You are Adam. You just can't see it from the naked eye because of how small it is. A better time at seeing a light than an atom. In ancient Greece, that said, all matter was made of particles, and there had been thoughts of what it could look like, but no one really had any real proof of what a little particle actually looked like, until chemist John Dalton, a guy from Britain in the 1800s, he was the one to find out what it looked like from the ratio. It said that atom is not so easy to see, so here comes the X-ray from 1890s, is when they made the X-ray. You could see stuff, and luckily atoms were not safe to that. When the crystal is hit by X-ray, it comes back, allowing experts to see a little bouncing ball bouncing back and forth. It was an atom. Atoms will bounce because they move unless it's very cold, but even then, they still don't move. They still move, just not as fast. What does it look like? It looks like this. Kind of similar how our space looks like, because it does make up of the space. It is the fix of mass for elements. For example, H2O is 1/8. You have two elements, they combine, and you make a compound from more than one element, and it'll be fixed. And with a fixed mass, you'll get a number ratio like 1:1. Mass is something that can react. It is something that cannot be destroyed. If you burn it, it'll react instead of burning into ash. It'll be what you see, a gas. That is reaction. That just shown actually helped a man. He made his theory back in 1803. In short, his theory was everything is made up of a small unseen atom, that all are the same, with a difference of some being different sizes due to mass and ratio. Know it or not, but his theory actually helped modern science. But atoms are not all the same, they can split. A British physicist who back then discovered electrons in 1897. An electron makes up the atom. It is what absorbs it, making a small little mass like its own solar system. He discovered the atom nucleus. If you don't know what the atom nucleus is, what helps make up the mass is mixed with positive and negative. In the center of the atom, he found this out of an experiment of his, and in the experiment, he shot positive alpha particles at a gold foil just to see what would happen. He saw that most of them went through, and then some of them fell to the ground. And it gave us the understanding that it is more empty than we compared to theory, who said it was full. Out that electrons going around the nucleus on orbits like our solar system. And his discovery helped change our view of what an atom looks like. The problem with model is that he never explained why the atoms were stable, something that did. For overall, was everything is made of unseen things. Discovered electrons for atom. Discovered the nucleus of the center of the atom. And